So you want to enable low power mode on your iPhone, but you don't know how. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable low power mode on your iPhone. And once I've showed you how you can do that, I'm also going to show you how you can add a low power mode shortcut to your iPhone control center for quick access to the button. So let's start with enabling and disabling low power mode. In order to do this, boot up your phone and head over to the settings app on your iPhone. Once you've done that, simply scroll down till you find the battery app basically, or the battery settings page. So once you've found it, simply click on it like this. Once you've done that, the second option, it will say low power mode. All you need to do is enable the switch just like this, and you will notice that then your battery will start turning yellow. This means that low power mode is enabled. What you can then do is simply click the switch again and then it's disabled again. And that's basically all you need to do. Now let's say that you want to add this shortcut to your iPhone control center for quick access. To do this, simply head over into your control center, which is going to be a bit up in the same row. Click on it. Once you've done that, scroll down till you find low power mode. I have it right here. Once you've done that, just click on the plus like I did. Once you've done that, you have basically added low power mode to your control center. When I now open my control center, you will now notice this battery icon, and when I click on it, it will also do the same and it will say low power mode is enabled. And that's basically all you need to do. So, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.